Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So first of all, we are going to peel up our potatoes. This is Irish potatoes, and this peeler makes the work very easy and fast too, and it's very inexpensive to get. So just get yourself one of these, and you are good to go. So you want to dice this up into cubes as much as possible. I'm going for these sizes so that it's easier to eat this way. But you can cut them into any shape and sizes that you prefer. So I'm going to grate my ginger and garlic with this little grater. And this is our potatoes. I added in salt to cook. And these are the vegetables I'm going to be using. So to continue, I'm going to pan fry the chicken pieces I have. I deboned the chicken, so these are boneless chicken. So I'm adding in garlic and ginger paste, little bit of salt, just for the ingredients to marinate properly into the chicken before transferring it into the potatoes on fire. So I added in seasoning cube, curry powder, and all the other seasoning. So you just pan fry this for a while until the color turns pale like this. Then you add in the potatoes, not yet cooked at this stage, but it's boiled a little bit so that they can boil together and they'll be cooked at the same time, so that one will not get done before the other. So that's why I did it like that. So these are the vegetables, and I've gone ahead to dice them up into cubes, tiny cubes. And this is cornstarch. I'm using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then a little bit of water just to thicken the food up. So you stir this and set aside. So to our pan, I added in a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going in again with my ginger garlic paste and onions. So you stir this around for a minute, and then you pour in your vegetable mix: green peppers, green peppers, yellow peppers, red bell peppers, carrots, green beans. If you are new here, kindly click the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you. So this is seasoning cube I'm using and a little bit of salt. Then I added in dark soy sauce, just a little splash of dark soy sauce. And if you don't even have it, it's still fine. And oyster sauce also, I added in just a little bit. And just for the flavor, I added in a little bit of sesame seed oil. Then you stir this around for a while until it's well incorporated. And then at this stage, our potatoes are well cooked now, and we're going to pour in our vegetable mix into the potatoes. And then to thicken the food, we are going to add in the cornstarch and just let this simmer for about a minute and our food is ready. So to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and support. And I present to you a delicious chicken potato dish, perfect for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, perfect for every member of the family. Enjoy. It tasted so yummy. I would like you to give this a try and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.